players, hey, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hey, I'm excited to share something with you guys today, but let me first ask you this question. If I could show you a technique that would help you pocket more balls, would you be interested? I'm sure you would. So without further ado, let's delve into this. Okay, pool players, what I'm going to share with you today is extremely important for your game. One of the things that I discovered when I started working on my game, and it's only been 397 days ago today that I got this table and started really learning the game of pool. But one of the greatest things that has helped me is pushing through the cue ball, not hitting the cue ball. You know, I hear it a lot when I hear someone miss a shot. Oh man, I hit the shot wrong. And when I hear hit, it's like I know what they're talking about. They're hitting the cue ball. I used to do it with my jab stroke. It was terrible. But today, I've now come to realize to have control, we have to be smooth with our action. And being smooth with our action means that you push through the cue ball. Something interesting happened a couple weeks ago when I was playing my sparring partner. And one of the things that he was saying, it was under his breath as he was about to make a shot. I could hear him as I was sitting on the little bench watching him shoot. And he said, push, push. And I thought, that's interesting. As he came back after he made a run, he says, if I push through the cue ball, I'm more accurate. And I thought, doggone it, that's exactly the way I feel about the shot. Because in the old days, I would hit the cue ball with an abrupt action. So that made me think, I need to put together a video that will help you as a viewer with your game. I'm going to take a couple shots. I'm going to also show you a couple of breakdowns in closer, a closer shot here, and you can look at those in more detail. But I'm just going to show you a difference from the shot of today for me from what I used to do. And I bet you that there are some that are watching this right now that suffer from this. I see it at leagues all the time. I step into the shot. I don't even have to make a feather on the cue. I know I'm lined up. But my routine is I take a couple little practice movements, come back, and I push through the cue ball. Now that was a firm hit. I'll show you a softer hit. There's no difference. It doesn't matter what type of speed, what type of English, what type of anything, I will always push through the cue ball. Now this is a smooth, slow speed. Now, in the old days meaning like maybe 300 days ago, this is what I used to do. I'd step into the shot, line it up the same, and I would shoot. And I might make it like that. But I wouldn't accurately make it, and I surely wouldn't accurately have control of the cue ball after the fact. By controlling that forward motion with a push action and not a hit action, it has made all the difference. So now let's take a look at a couple close-up videos of this shot in more detail.
Here we have a demonstration of the smooth action. So I've got a few shots I'm putting together here for you. And I want you to look at the transition of how I start slowly and then accelerate at the impact of the cue ball. And I don't even like to use the word impact because the push and the hit are totally different, and impact kind of relates to hitting something. So it's all smooth all the way through, and it's like I want your thought to be push the cue ball towards the object ball. Nice smooth action. Now here is the old way that I used to shoot, and you'll see the difference. A little closer view of that shot. no transition, quick acceleration, hitting the cue ball. We do not want to do that. Slow motion now, you can see no transition, bam, boom, forward. And that was very inaccurate for me, especially in trying to find position for the next shot.
Pretty good stuff, you guys. Push, push, push through the ball. Hey, leave some comments. Let me know if this is something that you've suffered from or maybe still do. And let me know if this is of help to you, especially you league players. Because there's times when you feel anxiety before your shot, and I think you might be too abrupt by smooth action or by pushing through the cue ball. It could make all the difference. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.